Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
As you know, our university is going to organize the grand finale of Smart India Hackathon 2025 Hardware Edition. Sir, what are your opinions and insights about it?
It's a great job you people are doing. I'm really happy. And we should organize it more and more. It is happening. We are all excited about it. I'm sure this is going to give a lot of motivation to our students for genuine thinking out of the box, leading to innovations. Innovation is the word of the day. With all my respects to our beloved Prime Minister Modi ji, India is progressing in the right path. And we should be world leaders not only in politics but also in innovation. India has lagged behind in the past because we did not concentrate on innovation. If we were under foreign rule for 1,000 years, it is because we people never thought of innovating, let us say, armaments, so that we were subjected to foreign rule, whether it is the Middle East people or the Western people or anybody, those who ruled us, because they had a superior armed power than us. And nowadays, even take the case of China, it is coolly overriding us simply because they produce, we do not. We produce, but we are not able to compete with them. Otherwise, if we would have not imported anything, it is not a very easy thing to do it. If you are not importing and if you are exporting nation, then any country will be rich. Like that, India also will be rich. If we are going to be the third economy of the world, it's not that big a thing because we are the biggest population of the world at the same time. But the per capita should be the highest. And per capita will be highest only when we produce things which are exported to foreign countries. And who will accept our goods? If our goods are of real quality, if they are superior to other people's production, our productions will be in demand in the international market. So if they are in great demand, we get great profit, and great profit leads to great prosperity of a nation. So please try to understand that innovation is the key to the success of a nation. That what our beloved Prime Minister has understood very well, and he is pressing time and again to everybody to see that we really innovate. I am always pained to think that we are not getting Nobel Prizes like that. We are behind in a lot of things. And you people, those who are young, those who are energetic, those who are willing to think, those who are thinking right now, you should think it big so that India can become big. Now coming to JIT University, we have been emphasizing all the time that we should go for innovations. I am really thankful to all my students and teachers, more specifically my teachers, leading teachers, those who are going for innovation, for making publications, going for patents, which are real innovation. And we wish that our innovation should be of so good quality that it should be, our innovation should be marketed, should give India a big edge over others. It's good to dream of that. People say, a lot of people believe that India can't do it. But we have already shown in many aspects, many sectors, that we can do it better than others. Similarly, as far as scientific innovations are concerned, as far as innovations in all round are concerned, we should go big. So I'm thankful to the organizers of the university, those who have taken the pain of organizing the whole hackathon, which is going to be a big affair in the coming 3 days, 4 days. And that gives a real picture of what we all think and what all we do. So every hackathon, I am excited that we reach a new mark in each of the hackathons. I hope we'll be organizing more of such kind in the coming days. Thank you.